The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the most advanced big screen phone so far because it much more than the phone. It is a highly involved note-taking device. Samsung has made its most elegant looking phone yet with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The squad of edge combined with the sophisticated Mystic Watch color give the hair handset a corner of spy. The finisher does a good job of resting fingerprints. The massive 6.9-inch OLED Quad HD Plus display on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is big, bold, and colorful. More importantly, this is the first Samsung phone to offer a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate. This display is extremely bright and is fairly easy to read in direct sunlight. This device is scrolling super smooth and fast. You can always choose 60Hz manually if you want to save battery life. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra features triple rear camera setup plus a laser autofocus sensor. The camera array starts with a 108 degree megapixel wide range and 1.8 aperture and is paired with 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with 128 degree field of view. The 12 megapixel of telephoto lens delivers a 5x optical zoom of 50x super resolution zoom. The zoom lens delivers amazing quality. Every time you zoom is something you will be surprised by the distance is covered by the details it captured. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra night mode is good but quite bright or colorful as iPhone 11 Pro. Pictures taken with the device deliver stunning quality with great details and colors. The Note 20 Ultra delivers better results than the iPhone 11 Pro in close-up shots. If you want to record the sharpest video possible, you will be pleased to know that Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra can record 8K video with 20 by 9 ratio aspect. There is a new Pro video mode with the exposure and zoom speed. With the 12 megapixel selfie camera, front it has a 120 degree which should come in hand for a group selfie. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra benefits from 9 millisecond response for the S Pen. This is designed to deliver more pen to paper feel when drawing or writing anything. The phone is the fastest with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. This chipset boosts the clock speed by the up to 10 to 3.1 GHz processor, and the graphics is the faster than the regular Snapdragon 865 chipset inside the Galaxy S20. The processor is a pair with 12 GB of RAM and either 128 GB of RAM to 158 GB of storage. As you usually expect from premium flagship, the Note 20 Ultra supports most flavor of the 5G. You will also appreciate the improved desk experience, which is now completely wireless. You can beam watch your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra compatible with Smart TV. This Galaxy Note 20 Ultra pack comes with 5000 mAh of battery and 25 watt of chargers in the box. Its 25 watt of fast charger also support wireless charge and 9 reserve charge is offer the best in the class display. Better screen experience and the bootloader is a new feature work with play. The camera are still fixing focusing problem with the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the powerful zoom on the Xbox gameplay. The Galaxy S20 advantage of over upcoming iPhone 12 Pro. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra comes with very big dimension smartphone. In the fact, it is not far from the Samsung recently released Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Melton Ultra is heavy, can be cumbersome if you don't have big hands and deep pocket. Xiaomi went to the glass sandwich design with aluminium rails and curved glass on the both sides. On the front, there is a full-size display with a point shown in the top and the left speaker grill above the glass. The Milton Ultra is not IP certified with the unfortunate. All the phones at this price point, particularly those from Apple and Samsung, offer protection from water and dust. Xiaomi opted for 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz OLED panel instead of Quad HD Plus screen. At this price, I don't think this is the problem given there are many amazing tech packed into the device. The panel is smooth and fast as well as widening deep contrast. If you don't like the excellent adaptive color setting, you can change it in the comprehensive display setting menu. Brightness was quite good under direct sunlight. The Mi 10 Ultra are easily available. The Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra speaks the fresh Snapdragon X65 Plus with a flavor of 865. Either way, the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra is very fast. I did not have a single performance problem in my week with this device. I played a lots of games, took my photos. I did a lot of multitasking. I just could not get a Mi 10 Ultra to shutter. I think it is fair to say that whatever you don't use the phone will be light work for this device. It comes with 800 8 or 12 or 16 GB depending on the variation. Camera is wise Miton Ultra comes with quad SD display, 48 megapixel of main camera and 28 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of portrait camera, and a final 128 degree X ultra zoom camera. The Xiaomi Mi 10 also takes punchy heavy images with a fair amount of dynamic ranges. With this device seems to be able to capture white balance well. On a dull day, the phone took dull photos. On a bright day, the phone took bright photos. The medium ultra photography, there is a zoom functionality. Samsung offered 100x zoom in the S20 Ultra, but the Xiaomi offered 120x mid and the Ultra. I found the Mid and Ultra's night mode to one of the worst I have seen in the encounter of flagship phone. I struggled with fierce capture, little detail was overall rather disappointing. On the front, there is a 20 megapixel of camera selfie. Take this, the median ultra track takes some decent selfies, but there is a fair amount of seeing something going on selfie portrait mode and seeing ratio is realistic. The Mi 10 Ultra is average at the I got 8K video at 24 FPS along this time they use 60 FPS mode. There is also 960 FPS slow motion mode. On the surface, the Mentron Ultra has battery and average size of the class of the smartphone. It is a 4000 mAh in the base. Has a powerful handle chipset and a big high refrigerated display. Xiaomi software, however, works adequately in background, killing application, optimizing power usage to deliver good battery life. The device starts from 0 to 100% in just 21 minutes in our testing. It includes 120 watts of charger in the box and also comes with 50 watt fast charger in 10 watts of reverse charge. The Huawei P40 Plus feels excellent in hand. The Pro features the quad curve overflow display, which means they have curved glass at the fore edge. This device looks genuinely unique and recognizable in the sea of the smartphone packaging of the same design from the front. Available in the high class black and white creative interior feature P40 and P40 Plus material used around the back. Display itself is a 6.58-inch OLED panel with vivid color deep black and the customizable color temperature and display option. Viewing angles and the outdoor visibility are great. You can expect identical performance across the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus, given the fact that both with KT 990 chipset and the 8 GB of RAM. We found the Huawei P40 Plus to be just as speedy and other top of the in phones such as Galaxy S20 or iPhone 11. The P40 Plus backup powerful rear camera setup equipped with the 5 lenses. The main lens is a 50 megapixel sensor and 40 megapixel ultra wide lens. The Pro Plus supports two telephoto sniper both packing 8 megapixel resolution. The first telephoto camera features a 3x zoom, second 10x optical zoom. With these lenses feature optical image stabilization. There is time and the third depth sensing. Camera is a mix too. Through a combination of hardware and software, Huawei's phone is able to achieve 100x zoom as a for video recording capability of Pro Plus. It comes with 4K video recording at 60 FPS. The front camera is among the best we have ever tested. It has 2 megapixel of the resolution and a second depth sensor for maximum impact selfie. This phone captures stunning details combined with the dynamic ranges, the excellent low light performance to hard virtually any environment to shoot the Huawei P40 Plus. 4200 mAh battery inside its performance is fantastic. It can easily last a full day throughout intensive use. It also supports 40 watt fast charger and there is also 40 watt wireless charger. The Huawei P40 Plus will cost 1,15,000 rupees. It has 6.78-inch display backpack with many features to enhance viewing experience. It has Ultra HD resolution with 10-bit color variable 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch input rate. And there is also a course of Ultra Vision chipset which can automatically upgrade 60 FPS video to 120 FPS. To beat this screen rate, there is a feature combined to deliver a screen that's vibrant and which will display content beautifully. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack, so the fan of wired headphone will be disappointed. The phone is IP68 protected through it's safe from dust and water too high. There is plenty of reason to believe Oppo Find X2 will be processing powerhouse. It is a good top-end Snapdragon 865 chipset and 12 GB of RAM. The Snapdragon chipset Intel the Find X2 is super fast 5G connectivity. As it was 5G built in, Oppo told us it would be no 4G and X2 handset. The Oppo X2 Pro has three rear camera sensors. The main camera is the ultra wide sniper, while the third is the 30 megapixel telephoto sniper. This feature has been camera lens at the Zoom model. The Oppo 10x zoom, so it supports 5x optical, 10x hybrid, and 60x digital zoom. There is a few interesting features Oppo has included, such as the phone's ability to capture raw images, raw files, more brightness, and the color information than the regular GPG, giving you more scope to process than editing software and the autofocus system based on the Sony's Alpha's camera. There is a 4K video recording at up to 60 fps. On the phone is a 32 megapixel front-facing camera in the cutout segment. Overall, the Find X2 Pro produces excellent exposure and captures a good amount of detail even in the overcast cloud weather and color accurate. Learn more being towards the side and the being oversaturated in the terms of battery as we are getting 4060 milliampere power battery, which should be normally pretty generous for a flagship phone throughout the large screen in the high to high engine. It will last very long. Over 500 Pro use of 65 of charger to give you accurately get device to 80 to 100 in 35 minutes. The OnePlus has the best display it's ever made on the 8 Pro, and the Chinese company said it is the best screen used on the 4 of 2020. It is a 6.7 inch Full display with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus support, and QHD resolution. The OnePlus 8 features several control camera cutout on the top left corner of the screen. The OnePlus 8 Pro is the first handset from the brand to carry an official IV rating, which means it is officially protected against dust and water. The phone features Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 865 chipset, which comes with Qualcomm X555G modem to enable super-fast internet speed with a 5G available in the OnePlus 8 Pro pack. 4 rear camera including 48 megapixel of main camera with a 1.78 aperture. There is also 8 megapixel telephoto with a 3x optical zoom and the ultra-wide 48 megapixel camera with a 119 degree field of the view and a dedicated 5 megapixel color filter and a camera. And that results apply as a filter. You are shooting the OnePlus 8 Pro's main 48 megapixel camera and wide angle shooter take sharp and vibrant shot. It is in the outdoor lighting, the dynamic range and the color to regular series grade. In addition to the camera, 3x lovely zoom can take picture without losing detail. It can also digitally zoom to 30 zoom, but the photo quality really degrades at this level. The camera can also shoot 4K video at has optical image stabilization. On the front there is a single 16 megapixel selfie camera which delivers stunning quality. Overall, the OnePlus 8 Pro camera is a big improvement over the camera setup of the One 7 Pro. There's a 7 Pro. The OnePlus 8 comes with a sizable 4510 mAh battery, which is the biggest OnePlus has ever put in a handset. The OnePlus 8 Pro comfortably lasting on a single charge with a typical user including gaming videos. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.